Welcome to this Sciformatix training video. In this training session, we will perform an installation of the SciLIMS client software. SciLIMS is perhaps the easiest to install of any LIMS application. Before we begin, let's review what we will cover in this training session. First, we will review the SciLIMS system requirements. Next, we will navigate to the SciLIMS installation web page from which the installation will be performed. Following that, we will perform the installation. Finally, we will take a look at some other tidbits of useful information. The SciLIMS client application has a fairly minor set of system requirements. The application requires the use of Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. 80 megabytes of available hard disk space is required, and SciLIMS requires that you have a live internet connection. Optionally, if your lab will use barcodes, you will want to have a barcode scanner, and if your lab plans to print labels, a label printer will be needed. To perform the SciLIMS installation, first point your browser to sciformatix.com/SciLIMS/publish.htm. Feel free to pause this video now if you need more time to record the web address. Once on the installation web page, click on the Install button. Next, click on the Run button on the window that appears. Then, click the Run button on the next window that appears. And click the Install button on the next window that appears. At this point, the application will automatically download and install itself, displaying its progress as it does so. At the end of the installation process, the application will be launched, displaying the sign-in window. The installation is now complete. Finally, I have a few useful tidbits for you. First, the SciLIMS installation web page can be used to both install and launch SciLIMS. Second, the SciLIMS application is installed securely only for the current Windows user on the PC. If there are other Windows users for that PC, you'll want to install it for that user as well. And lastly, any updates to the SciLIMS application will be applied automatically, ensuring that your SciLIMS is always up to date. That wraps up this training video. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.